Alright, the Omelette of Doom. Oh my god! Oh my god! That is
Look at the size.
Look at the bubble. Look at that bubble.
Is that on too, huh? Maybe.
John, we got John here.
Yeah, we don't power, stupid.
We're up. Our broil. We got Fletcher here.
Yummy.
Jose mixing this up. John. And Steve over here with Anthony unpacking the PS3.
Told you to unpack.
He's on. Oh, shut up.
It doesn't play PS2. It plays PS1.
No, it plays both. No, dude, it plays both. Plays both.
Oh my god! What is that?
A lot of cheese. Oh my god, dude! No, dude, this is
Oh my god! Dude, oh good. You guys just cut up the bacon?
Yeah, we did.
And like what? Half?
Oh my god! I'm not cooking that.
Alright.
Dude, you're gonna love this. Look at everything about the last one.
I know, dude. It's gonna be bomb. Look,
Two available restrooms for you guys.
look at the jalapenos.
More
There's a
cheese.
plunger in there. You guys using that?
More cheese. More cheese.
More cheese. No! No! Never enough cheese.
Oh my god. No.
Oh.
You have to freaking spread it.
Jose, the master chef.
How long is that video?
I don't know, but it's still going.
Alright, put it on my
Yeah, post it still on YouTube.
Oh my god, it's so good.
How to make an omelet.
Now it's getting. Oh,
It's not even an omelet. It's
Salt
just
and pepper.
salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper. Salt and pepper.
We got crushed red pepper.
No, not red. Sickle red. You know where it is.
Salt. Where's the pepper?
Pour all that in there. Pepper.
Where's the pepper?
I don't know, dude. What the hell?
That's nasty. That's bomb. Nasty? Bomb.
Wait, you have to clean it.
Cause
Did you gonna help make it? I know, Fletcher, like, let's give me tips on the bacon.
I made sure that the pan didn't.
Oh, it's all gooey.
That's sick.
Oh my
Why are you making a documentary?
Because this omelet or this egg is like, oh my god.
Yeah.
Alright guys, this video is done and over.